good in our Western dresses are good in their country, but in our country it's not good.
Yes, yes. Okay. Like this, it should become so no.
I only believe that some products.
Hello, my dear students. So welcome to the debate session. In this debate session, we have selected a very good topic, that is online versus offline. And girls has selected the topic online shopping is the best, and our boys selected the topic offline topic is the best. And offline shopping is the best. Okay, I would like to hand over the mic to the girls first, and they are gonna judge. They are gonna follow, and they are going to tell their opinion on why online shopping is best. Okay, without hurting others, you have to compete here.
In my point, I want to tell about the online shopping. In offline shopping, we buy the object, but after 5 minutes by talking, the sellers will fight with us. You didn't give us any money. Therefore, if we did phone pay in online shopping, it will be delivered after 5 days or 10 days.
Okay.
In my point of view,
No, she talked against anybody. What she talked against anybody? Yes. Nadaf, focus ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
In my point of view, offline is best because when we pay, we can ask them why this money is this much, and
We can bargain.
We can bargain.
But during online class, it is impossible. Whatever the fixed price, we have to pay that. Okay. Very good. Next. Yes.
in my point of view, online shopping is best because in offline shopping that is rate is different, but the owners will give extra money for that.
Very good, very good. She raised a wonderful point. Whatever the actual price, and more than that, some of the owners, some of the shopkeepers place the label. That is her point. Very good. Okay, against her, anything you want to say? Extra amount owners will put. For example, if you are purchasing groundnuts, it is 160 rupees kg per kg. They add 10 rupees extra because of the good quality, like this 170 they put. This is her point of view. Yes, Mike. Is it reality what she is telling?
It is realities.
Yes, reality.
In offline also, some things they cheat us.
Okay.
In online they cheat us and they take more money.
Yes, yes. Sagar, anything want to say? Okay. Why offline is best?
Offline is best because they give a warranty
Okay.
of 2 years, 1 year.
Okay.
But the online they not give a warranty.
Yes, they don't give a warranty. Okay. Next. Yes.
And we can do trials of the dresses.
Yes, very good. Very. This point is a valid point. When we purchase offline anything, yes, for example, dress, we can make a trial. We can have a trial. But when it comes to online, it is not possible. Yes, very good. Next. Yes. Anything else you want to say against his point?
as per my point, online shopping is best because we can select the branded clothes, and not only about the clothes, about the groceries. The products which we can buy from online are very good, I think so, and it is very easy to have. It is very easy to spend more money because they will give so much of warranties and exchange offers.
Exchange offer. Okay. Exchange offer, is it not available in offline shopping?
Yes, it is. Yes.
Available.
Yes.
Okay. Exchange offer is also available in offline shopping also. What is the issue? Okay. Why, Shivananda? Why offline is only best according to you?
Because we directly see the objects.
Okay. We directly see products, and we can touch. We can check the quality.
Yes. In online, we cannot trust.
Yes. Why? Online, he is telling online shopping is very worst, according to him. Aditi, you want to say or Srinidhi? Yes,
We cannot touch
feel free
that-
to talk, don't worry.
We cannot touch that object, but they will send the photos of customers they have.
Okay,
Review
opinion,
of
testimonial. She is telling testimonial. One who used that product, they tell their experience. You can see that when you scroll below, you will see that their opinion. Okay, and do you think that whatever the opinion is given, the last of that product, do you think it is true? We can write anything else now. No, I'm not supporting offline students, means offline shopping. I'm telling that you can do anything else in shopping. You can write anything else testimonials. If the product is not good, you can write it is good. 3-star, 4-star, 5-star ratings, you can increase that one.
I'm not talking about the stars. They will, the reviewers will send the photos of they have. We can take the example of dress. They will wear the dress and they will just send photo of that. They will give the review of that dress.
Very good. Testimonials will be exactly true. She is telling testimonial. Okay, against her, anybody?
They are fake, sir.
Yes,
The-
yeah, fake.
The owners are only dressed that customer
Okay.
and given money for customers.
Yes, Sagar, offline. Why offline is best?
Because the online shopping has the website workers will give their ratings and they give photos.
Okay, next. Next, anybody want to?
In online shopping, their product take
Loudly.
delivery charge.
Okay, very good. In online shopping, yes, online shopping take delivery charges more. Very good, very good. Claps. This point is extra. Even though if you buy any one single pen worth rupees 50 rupees 60 rupees, they take delivery charges. But it is not available. It is not happening in offline shopping. Very good point. Okay.
My view offline is best because we can go quickly and take the products.
Okay.
But in online, it will take time.
Okay, it will take time. Okay, we have to wait until we receive the delivery. Next. Anybody?
Nowadays, everyone is workers. They will go to work. When they come to home, they get bored to go outside, so that they can shop in online. So online is best.
Yes, Aditi is telling for employees who are working professionals, husband and wife both are working, means for them it is very helpful when it comes to a matter of online shopping. Yes, point to be noted. Okay, next. Siddhika, anything else you want to say? Okay.
In my view, online shopping is best because in our country, some products are not there. Means we can buy from another country.
Very good.
Like I will give an example for that chocolate, Feastables chocolate.
Look at the camera.
Feastables chocolate are not launched in our country, and it is in America, so we can buy it online.
Okay, some of the products which are not available in India, we can we can buy from other countries. Her point, a very good point. That we don't know that one. Wonderful. Next, anything else against that point? Okay, against Siddhika.
They told that Western
Products.
products we want, but it is not good for our health.
Very good, very good. Claps, clap.
It's not
Very good. Audience, take audience also. Okay, Western products are very dangerous to trust.
Yes.
Okay.
Maybe that chemicals are
Chemical, very good, very good, very good. Now, next. Against him, anything else? Yes. Counter.
All products are not like that. Some products are there, and dresses qualities. Western dresses are good too. In our dresses are good in their country, but in our country it's not good.
Yes. Okay. Like this, it should become so
They
no.
only believe that some products are there. They only told. They accepted that.
Okay, very good. Okay, you are telling that no, foreign countries product we can buy. Yes, it is his point of view. Okay.
He was only telling about that food materials, but
Yes. Okay. What? So your name? Others. What she is telling? What Siddhika is telling? She is in favor of only purchasing food items, not dress and all. Like she mentioned, which chocolate it is?
Feastable.
Feastable chocolates. It is not available in India. There she is selling.
If we feel we have to eat and we have to taste it, means what we have to do? We have to go to that another country. It will take more time now.
Yes,
so we
yes.
cannot.
Going to abroad and purchasing that chocolate, is it easy? Yes, Mike.
They told that dresses, we want to follow our tradition, not that abroad tradition.
Shreya, color.
We want to follow our tradition, not abroad
No,
tradition.
no. She's not talking about a tradition.
That time they taught clothes.
Okay, next.
I'm not talking about the tradition
Take
of.
textbook. Come here.
I'm not talking about the tradition of a countries. I'm talking about the qualities.
Only quality. She's talking about only quality. Okay. Yes.
In India is also good qualities. Foreigners only come and take Indians.
Very good. Claps. Okay. See, we notice that most of the foreign people are rushing to India. They are visiting Indian places, especially Goa, Maharashtra, Delhi, and it is your point of view, yes?
Yes.
Next. Okay, last reaction. Next we will change. Okay.
They are coming for seeing the. They're only coming for seeing the another country's nature. Like
Okay.
we also like in London, America. We also go na
Yes.
historical places.
In America, that sun rays are not there, and that sunlight is not good, and that's why they come for India.
India has a more historical places than. India has a more historical places than other countries, so they are come to see. They come for knowledge, not for this taking food and tradition.
Spending time. They are coming only to get to know what India is all about. It's heritage, Indian ancient time, history. They want to know.
I give an example. Dr. Bro, YouTube channel is there. They will also go for foreign.
Very good claps, Dr. Bro. Very good. Good debate it is. Right. Loudly.
Let me clear that Dr. Bro.
Come on.
Let me clear that Dr. Bro is exploring the country, which he can give the knowledge for Indian peoples only. Especially he is from Karnataka and he is the pride of our Karnataka.
They only make blogs for views, subscribers, and likes. They are not only going for our help.
Yes. Okay. Last. Okay. Give me.
We can see that the tradition of the other countries and culture. So he will go for traveling.
Yes,
and,
very good. We can.
and make a vlogs and videos.
Yes. Next. Last. Aditi. Yes. You want to say? Aditi. No? Okay. Don't stand. Well then, we have noticed. I have noticed that both the team has really expressed their wonderful views on shopping, online shopping and offline shopping. I appreciate your participation, and as well as I appreciate our cameraman and audience for participating in this one. Thank you so much.